Vivo Y51 Full phone specifications. Display type IPS LCD. Screen size 6.58 inches, 82.2%. Screen to body ratio. Display resolution 1080x2408 pixels, 21:9 ratio. Operating system Android 11, Funtouch 11. Chipset Qualcomm SDM665, Snapdragon 665. Octa-core. RAM 8 GB RAM. Storage 128 GB. Card slot Micro SDXC. Dedicated slot. Main camera 48 MP f1.8 wide, 8 MP, f2.2, ultra wide, 2 MP f2.4 macro, selfie camera, 16 MP f2.0 wide. Video recording 4K at 30 fps, 1080p at 30 fps. Sensors fingerprint, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass. Battery LiPo 5000 mAh, non-removable. Fast charging 18 volt, 70% in 67 min. Weight 188 g. Adreno 610. 3.5mm jack. Yes. ASP Type-C 2.0, ASP on the go. Loudspeaker. Yes. Bluetooth 5.0, A2DP, L. Colors titanium sapphire, crystal symphony. Number 5G network, no water resistant, no NFC. Thank you for watching.